Hello everyone, it's Elle and spring is approaching quickly and some of us may be planning on moving or redecorating our spaces. Well, I want to share some of my decorating and shopping tips to help you design a perfect space. If you're familiar with my channel, many of you know that I love shopping for home decor. But if I'm decorating a big space, I like to take a survey of my surroundings, do a deep clean, get some measurements. I also create Pinterest boards to decide on contemporary versus eclectic, maximalist versus minimalist, to design a perfect aesthetic that makes me happy. When designing a living room or a den area, I usually tend to purchase the biggest piece of furniture first. It's the most costly and it's considered a stationary piece, and that is the sofa or the couch. Although the sofa and the couch are practically the same piece of furniture, some may say that the sofa is reserved for formal seating and the couch is for leisure. Whether you choose to call it a couch or a sofa, this piece of furniture is your biggest investment for your space. Never feel rushed when purchasing a sofa. Go to different furniture stores like Rooms to Go, Ashley Furniture, CB2, West Elm, from the high end to the low end. Have a great experience and do your research before you shop online. Always look for something that's comfortable, durable, and remember, this is a stationary piece of furniture, so you should definitely make sure it's something that you're going to be happy with for the long term. The next item that I purchased for the living room area would be the rug. The rug is where I draw inspiration, and I use the rug as a guide to furnish the rest of my accent pieces. The rug is considered to be an interchangeable piece. If you don't like the color, the size, or it gets stained or gets damaged, you can easily change out a rug. The area rug can make or break your design aesthetic. While rugs come in a variety of sizes, it's important that you pick the right size to accommodate your space, the furniture that surrounds it, and lays on top of it. Accent rugs brings a sense of warmth to your space. You can find a great selection of accent rugs online at rugs.com or at HomeGoods. Well, it looks like we're accomplishing some things with styling a room. I think the next piece that needs to be added is a coffee table, whether a streamlined coffee table, rectangle, square, round, marble, metal. The coffee table is a stationary piece of furniture that really needs to be added to help complete a look. There are some rules that can be broken when styling a coffee table and a couch or sofa. I would do a low profile coffee table and a low profile couch. This way everything is streamlined on the eye and also with the reach from the table to the sofa. No matter what table you choose, you should have fun with it. It's a great way to show off a bit of eclectic design, layers to your space, and add a bit of interest to any room. Now it's time to add some jewelry to the design, and that's with lighting. Pendant lights and modern chandeliers can really make a statement in your space. You can find so many varieties online and in home improvement stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, Amazon. These lights come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Choose a pendant light over having a ceiling fan, and you will see a vast difference to the space. It adds elegance and sophistication. The ceiling fan versus chandelier has always been a debate among interior designers. However, if you must have the ceiling fan, there are so many beautiful options that you can add. Ditch the shorter blades for the longer blades. Do an all black version. Whether you choose a chandelier, pendant light, or ceiling fan, just make sure that your lighting or fan accommodates the space. Another large furniture item that you can add to the space is a credenza. Some people call it a sideboard or simply a cabinet. Not every home is going to be able to accommodate this large piece of furniture. Remember that it is stationary and it can be costly. So deciding to have this piece in your home does make a big statement, but you may not be able to accommodate it. There are many versions to choose from. West Elm, Home Goods carries them. You can even find one on Amazon. They are beautiful pieces that make a statement as well. Now that I've shared the 4 minimal furniture items that I think that you need to style a living room or a den area, you can go ahead and style your home with accent pieces, from vases and drapes to accent chairs and tables. There are so many items to give your home a curated look. Remember, you can always revamp a furniture, decor, or accent item in your home to make it your own. I truly appreciate you watching. I hope you got some good tips. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.